Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to AWS EC2 instance for RHEL 9. First create AWS EC2 instance. See, I have connected to AWS console, then click on services, then click on compute, then see here we have the EC2, or click on this search box and search for EC2. See here we have the EC2. Click on EC2. Then in dashboard, click on instances and see here running at 0, or you can launch the instance. Either is fine. Click on instances. Then see here we don't have any instances running in this region. Okay, so click on launch instances. Then provide the name AWS EC2 RHEL 9. This is just name. Okay, then see here we have the Red Hat. If you don't find here, click on this browse more AMIs. There you will find all AMIs available. AMI means Amazon Machine Image. So click on Red Hat. See, once you selected, see here it populated the list of it populated few RHEL versions. But if on full versions, click on this browse and search for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So in this video I am going to install the latest one, and see here Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Okay, and it is free tier eligible. For this demo purpose, I am going with free tier eligible. Select it. Then see, this is the AMI information. Okay. Next, select the instance type. See here we have the different instances. Okay. I am going with T2 micro. It is because it is free tier eligible. But for you, select based on your configuration information like RAM and CPU utilization. Okay. So based on the instance type, charges will be changed. Okay. Then key pair. In brackets, see here login. You can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to the selected key pair before you launch the instance. Okay. See, in the drop down I don't have any key pairs, so click on create new key pair. Then here provide the name. Then we have to select the key pair type and key pair file format. I am going with RSA as key pair type and .pem as the private key file format. Okay, if you select these options, then click on create key pair. Once you click on, it will download the PEM file. Click on it. See, it downloaded the PEM file. It is the key pair. Okay, then we have to select in this drop down list. Now networking. See, these are blank, so click on edit, and VPCs we don't have anything in this region. So even subnets also we don't have anything. Okay, so open new VPC, search for VPC, right click on this one, open link in the new tab, close this one. Now come to this tab and see the region must be same as here US East one, here also it must be the same. Okay, then see here I don't have any VPCs in this region, so click on create VPC, then select the VPC and more, then provide the name. Name can be anything. I'm not going to change anything, just I'm going with all defaults. Then click on create VPC. See, VPC is created, subnet also created. Okay, now reload this VPC. See, we have the one VPC. This is the same one as, see, this is the VPC, it populated here. Now subnets, again reload this one. See here we have different subnets. I'm going with public subnet. Then auto assign public IP, select enable, then firewall or security groups. See, if you want to create new security group, select this checkbox. If you want to use the existing one, select this radio button. And here also it is radio button. See, we have only one, that is the default one. So for this EC2, I am going to create new security group, SG EC2 RHEL. Okay, name can be anything, and this is the description of this VPC. You can provide your own. Okay, then inbound security group roles, I am not going to configure anything. Later we can configure if we are unable to connect. Advanced network settings, I am going with all defaults. Then configure storage. By default, see here free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. So we can give 30 gigabytes without any cost. And select the type GP3, GP2, IO1, IO2 are magnetic standard. Okay, I'm going with the GP3, and if you want to add additional volume, you have to click on add new volume. Then advanced details, if you have domain, click on in the drop down, it will show you. Then you have to select the domain. If you want to create new directory, click on here. If you want to create IAM profile, click on here. If you want to use the existing one, see I don't have any IAM profile also. Host name, I'm not going to change anything. I'm going with all these defaults. Then come down here. If you want to provide any custom commands or the upload the script file or anything, you can upload. Okay, we have configured everything. Review one more time the options. If you're okay with these all the settings, see here, this is the summary. Number of instances, software AMI information, instance type, firewall information, and storage details. If you're okay with these settings, then click on launch instance. See launching instance. See successfully initiated launch of instance. This is the instance ID. Click on it. Wait a moment, it will populate here. Even if you go here, if you go to dashboard, see here also it is showing instances running 1. Before it was 0. And also see here key pairs, security groups, volumes, instances. Okay, so click on instances. See instance state is running. This is instance ID. Status checks are initializing. Availability zone, public IP, and other options like security group name, etc. Okay, platform. Now click on this instance ID. See here, these are the details of the instance. AMI ID, AMI name, like it is RHEL 9.5. Okay, that we will verify. Version of the RHEL. It is the latest version. Platform details, Red Hat Enterprise. This is the AMI location, launch time, etc. Okay. Then go to status alarms. We haven't configured anything. Monitoring. This also we haven't configured. Security. This is a security group. Inbound rules, outbound rules. Networking. See here. Private IP, public IP, subnet information. Storage. See we have only one. That is 30 GB. Volume ID. Okay. Tags. Only one tag. That is name and value. Okay. So now we will see how to connect to this AWS EC2 for RHEL 9.5. Click on connect. Then see here you have the different options. EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client, and EC2 serial console. Now click on this and see here it populated the SSH command to connect to this AWS EC2 instance for RHEL. And see here this is the FEM file name. So we have to use the FEM file. So click on this copy button. Then open terminal on Linux instances and CMD from the Windows operating system. Then go to the, see in this SSH command we are using PEM file. So go to this file directory. It is there in downloads directory. Okay. So cd downloads. Verify whether that FEM file is there in this current directory. See we have the same FEM file. So copy this one and go to the here, paste it, hit enter, type S for confirmation. See we have successfully connected. So Ctrl A. Now verify the version that we have installed. mod/etc os-release. See we have installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux and its version is 9.5. Okay. The first step for connecting to Red Hat Enterprise Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. See here the message. The system is not registered with an entitlement server. So you can use the RHEL subscription manager. Here also it is saying the same. To activate or register. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. You can register by using subscription manager. Now go to this instance ID. Then see here we have the options like in instance state, stop instance, reboot instance, terminate instance. If you are not using, stop it. If you want to reboot the instance, click on reboot instance. Then the last option is terminate instance. This option is used when you are not using this EC2 instance for RHEL. So if you are not using, delete it. Then actions, see here we have the connect. See you got the same one. Okay. See if we click on this one, we will get the same both are same. Instance state, see this is the one. We click on here, see here we have the same options. Stop, reboot, terminate. And instance settings, see here we have the different options. Networking, security, image, templates, etc. Okay. So if you are not using, click on terminate. Then you have to click on terminate. After that, if you go to here, instances, dashboard, also remove this key paste as well. Okay. After deleting, so this is VPC is also not required. So go to here and delete the VPC as well. Just I am showing you. I am not going to recommend you to delete it, but delete whenever you are not using this EC2 instance permanently. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to create AWS EC2 instance for RHEL 9.5. Then we have seen how to connect to AWS EC2 instance for RHEL 9.5. Okay. For more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.